Hey, after legal wars, have you ever hired an attorney? And if you have, or you plan to, something I want you to know is how you can help your attorney help you. How can you help your attorney help you? If you're interested in the legal system, stay tuned. This is the video for you. My name is Attorney Lance Fryrear. I'm a defense attorney in Lynnwood, Washington. My law firm has been defending people charged with crimes all throughout Washington state for more than 20 years. I'm putting out these videos to help educate the public. So if you find this useful, please like and please subscribe. More people get the help they need. And I'm just going to jump right into it. What happens when you hire an attorney? Well, you hire an attorney, and then hopefully they start working on your problem, because we only hire an attorney if we have a problem where we need a solution, right? And so I often tell people on the phone, especially people that aren't able to hire us or we're not a good match for them from our point of view, I give them some advice, some life lessons that I've learned from helping people for decades about how they might be able to get a more and better result out of their attorney. Basically, how they can help their attorney help them. And some stuff we tell our own clients also. So these are just off the cuff from experience and from the point of view of a successful, busy attorney that's trying to help as many people as we can. Okay. And so I think the first thing you can do to help your attorney help you is to know what you want, right? Know what you want. What type of result are you looking for, and communicate that clearly with the attorney. You can ask for some help. Hey, what's the best result I can get in this criminal case? Or, hey, this is the type of result I want. But at least if we know what the goal is, we're working towards the same idea. So know what you want. Two, the second thing is to communicate with your attorney often. Okay, now if you're in the family law business, maybe that's not such a good idea if you're a client, because they're going to bill you every time they talk to you. But on the criminal side, most criminal attorneys charge a flat rate, so you're not going to get billed when you talk to us. So, so many times I have a very nice client who says, "I'm so sorry to bother you, but," and what I tell them honestly is, "Hey, when you're bothering me, which is really no bother, I'm working for you, you're really helping me help you. When you remind me that your case exists, when you remind me that you have a problem that is still in your head right there and you need to talk to me, you're helping me help you, because you're sharing with me that there's a need that you have that I didn't know about. You need more explanation about something, or there's a need that I have. You need to tell me about a new case update," right? It's not a bother. When you're talking to your attorney, think of them as a partner, okay, in trying to get to a result. So if you remind your attorney that you've got your case out there, and we know you have a case, but we're working on so many things at once and it's helping so many people at once. It's a blessing to me if, and hopefully to your attorney, if you, in a nice way, say, "Hey, I've got this question," or, "Hey, here's some information." No, we don't need, "Hey, give me an update, give me an update, give me an update." That's not so great because there may not be any updates yet. But for the most part, communicate more frequently with your attorney, and then you'll get more communication in return, because hopefully you're going to be in a partnership with your attorney of trying to get you that solution to the problem for the reason you hired the attorney. Um, I think a third way you can get more out of your attorney is to listen to them, right? If you listen to your attorney and do what the attorney asks you to do, we're going to work better for you because you're getting the stuff done we need to get done, right? If I ask a client, "Hey, I need you to get this anger management class done," it's probably pretty important to do it, right? It's probably pretty important that I'm only having you do something if I need it to advance your cause and the solution that we're seeking for your problem. So listen to what the attorney says and then follow through on what the attorney says, right? Follow through on getting it done in a timely manner. And that goes on to number 4, respond to your attorney, right? Please, 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 please. When your attorney now is focused on your case, because we're helping a lot of people and we're reaching out to you, if you want to get the most out of us, try to respond to us in a timely manner, like, within the hour, hopefully, or less, if at all possible. I know you're busy too, probably, but if you want to get the most out of your attorney, respond to us when we're trying to help you, when our time and attention is focused on your legal problem versus everybody else that we're also trying to help. Because businesses, that's a one-to-one relationship, attorney-client, but we have more than just one client. So try to respond timely, and you'll get the most out of us. I think number 5 is ask the attorney how they prefer to receive communication, right? Everyone has a communication style. I tell my clients, please don't email me. Okay, I'm going to let you down if you email me. I'm not going to find it. I've got the worst inbox in the world. I've tried different things to fix, and different programs doesn't work, but please don't email me. And if you have to email me, please send us a text message telling me you emailed me. So, not every attorney is going to be bold enough to say, hey, please communicate with me this way. You might want to ask your attorney, how do you best receive communication so I can effectively communicate with you? Is it a phone call? Is there certain days of the week or certain times of day that I should avoid? Are texts good? Are emails good? What do you prefer, attorney? And then hopefully the attorney will ask you back, well, what do you prefer? And you'll be able to figure out how best to work together, right? So, asking your attorney what they need is a great thing. And that, I think, moves on to number 6. Basically, asking the attorney, how can I best help you? Help me. Just ask that question. You can say it a different way. Hey, how can I be an A client for you? How can I perform to be of the most service I can to you, a person I value, trying to get me a solution, right? Show that interest, that you want to be a good partner, and you'll get more in return from your attorney because they'll feel supported, right? We're just people, just like you. I mean, and I've shared in some other videos that the method that some clients may communicate with us can cause us stress, right? Also, and we want to do a great job. And the clients that communicate with us more kindly and more supportively in a way that works for each individual attorney, they're more likely to get that result that they want more quickly because it just goes smoother and we're more supported. We feel better. And when we feel better, just like anything, usually if we feel better, we do better, right? Better results, quicker results, less costly results. And so you want to be part of that team that's de-stressing your attorney, and hopefully your attorney is doing the same. We talk about all types of techniques to where you can be distressed, but de-stressed, not distressed. But in this situation, this video is about, hey, how to get the most out of your attorney, how to help them help you. And if you have an attorney that's really not being proactive, don't gunny sack, as they say, complaints, right? A nicely shared complaint. Hey, I'm feeling a little bit not paid attention to here. Could you tell me what to do? And can go a long ways, because if you share a complaint in a nice way about how you're feeling, then we're able to do something about it if we choose to, right? We're able to. So if our firm will use a net promoter score surveys to try to get some idea of if the client is we're sort of dropping the ball for a particular client, right? Because the best, most grateful I've been to clients is if they do share something that is sort of not to their liking, right? And oftentimes it's very valid. And then hopefully we can address that going forward, and it lets us put in better processes for everybody going forward, because most of us lawyers, we didn't sign up to be business people and have a law firm. We signed up to do the law, right? And the ones really good at doing the law sometimes end up with a business, like me, right? And so a lot of my time is spent learning all the business stuff and the customer service stuff, and where our greatest improvements have come is from a brave client who's been willing to say, hey, that didn't really work for me because one person on your team said X, another one said Y, and I was confused. Like, well, yeah, we did cause that confusion. I've got to see where it came from, and I'm really sorry. And here's how what you need to know. And here's how I'm going to try to fix that so it doesn't happen again. But I'm so grateful for you sharing that. And hopefully, many attorneys would feel that way because while attorneys get a bad rap for a lot of good reasons, we choose a profession where we're trying to help people, right? We're in a lot of professions are that way, but we're trying to help people, and we want to do a good job. Okay, so so those are some ways where you can help your attorney help you. We see a lot of it's about communication, like anything in life. A lot about is following instructions. A lot about is saying what you want, because your attorney's working for you to try to get some result to the best of our ability that's going to help you. So if you found this useful, please like and please subscribe. More people get to see it, and that's important. And even more importantly, if you have a criminal problem in Washington State, feel free to reach out to my firm. We defend people for most of Washington State for more than 20 years. We'll listen to what happened. We'll identify a way forward. We will be there for you. Thank you.